Hi, I am one of Professor Skipworth's chemistry students, and she has asked me to show you all my method for remembering some of the polyatomic ions. And I use a chart, and it is called Brinkel-Sick Cross Pass. And that may not make sense to you now, but I'll show you why. You start with the Brinkel in the first line, and the first element in it is bromine. And then you have iodine, nitrogen, and chlorine. Then the next line is the sick. You're going to have silicon and carbon. The next line is the cross. You're going to have chromium and sulfur. And then the fourth line and the last line, you're going to have pass, and that is phosphorus and arsenic. Okay, so after you have these written down, you are now going to come to the left side and put the number of oxygens that go with each. So we'll put number of oxygen. So with the bromine, iodine, nitrogen, and chlorine goes a 3. So all these have 3 oxygens in their polyatomic ion. And then silicon and carbon also have 3 oxygens. And then chromium and sulfur will have 4, as well as phosphorus and arsenic. So 3, 3, 4, 4. And then on the right side, we're going to put the charge, because we know that all polyatomic ions possess a charge. And so with the first line, they possess a -1 charge. With the silicon and carbon, they possess a -2 charge. With chromium and sulfur, they also possess a -2 charge. And phosphorus and arsenic possess a -3 charge. So how I use this is, let's say she asks for the polyatomic ion bromate. You're going to go to Br. So you're going to write down your Br. You're going to know that it has to have oxygen, so you'll put O3. O3. And you know that has to have a charge, so we'll come over, and the charge is -1. And that also applies to the other ones. If she asked for phosphate, you would know that it would be P and then O4, and the charge would be -3. And you can also use this when you are looking at not just 8s, but also ites, polyatomic ions that end in ITE, because you know that they are the exact same thing, but they have 1 less oxygen. So bromate is BrO3 -1, but bromite would just be 1 less oxygen. So it would be BrO2 -1. So I hope this helps you, and I hope that you are able to use it on future tests in chemistry. Thank you.